Wait. Pwede kang makakuha ng up to 5,700 pesos off sa Agoda Hotels. Ang laking discount niyan and here's how to avail of it. Step 1, redeem this promo code sa official Agoda app. Yung promo code natin is Agoda TPT. Just tap on the coupons button sa bottom menu. Minsan nagiging deals yung label niyan, minsan coupons. Either way, tap mo lang yan. And under coupons, enter Agoda TPT. Dapat all caps. Then, click on the check button para ma-save sa account mo. Kahit wala pa kayong paparating na trip, pwede nyo nang i-redeem yan ngayon pa lang para hindi nyo makalimutan in the future. Pero kung meron ka ng upcoming trip, step 2 na, search for a hotel. Kung may target hotel ka nang gustong i-book, hanapin mo lang. Select your travel dates and ilan kayo and choose a room. Then, sa next page, scroll down a bit papunta sa coupon section. Nasa taas yan ng price. And click nyo yung have a code na link. I-enter nyo ulit yung Agoda TPT na code, then tap on the plus button. You'll see the discount na mag-a-apply dun sa presyo sa baba. You can get up to 10% off. Depende sa base cost ng binubok mo. Pwedeng 2K lang, pwedeng 3K, pero pwedeng umabot up to 100 USD or roughly 5,700 pesos depende sa Forex. Malaki yan ha, bigger than most hotel discounts out there. And you can use it up to 5 times. May minimum spend na 25 USD or 1,425 pesos, pero madali lang namang ma-reach yan kapag hotels. It only works sa official Agoda app ha. Kung wala ka pa niyan, download mo na. Meron niyang Android and iPhone versions. And kapag installed na sa phone mo, sign in using your Agoda account. Kung wala pa, sign up. Then, follow the steps na sinabi ko kanina. Again, the code to remember is Agoda TPT. Hindi PTP, hindi Agoda PT, hindi Agoda TPT. Save nyo na yan and sabihan lahat ng mga friends nyo. By using this code, you can also help us earn a little na walang extra cost to you. In fact, may malaking discount ka pang makukuha, so win-win ito for both of us. Marami pa kaming mga discount codes na i-share and travel tips din, so don't forget to follow.